Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Scotch-Brite plastic kitchen sink brush. So let's get started. Okay, the MRP is 160 rupees, but from Amazon we got it for 149 and the pack come with one scrubber free. Dimension are 7 by 24.5 centimeter. The head has a Scotch-Brite scrub attached made up of nylon mesh fiber. It's quite rough and it will easily remove grease and grime. And this one is very lightweight also. So look at the handle, it's comfortable, easy to grip, sturdy, and the scrubber attached can be replaced, so it's refillable. Simply remove it using the hooks on the both side. Now attach the new scrubber and lock in with the hooks. To use it, simply wet the scrub part, apply some soap or your gel and just scrub away. It is designed to reach corners and you can effortlessly clean kitchen sink, tiles with it. It made my kitchen sink sparkle by removing all the dirt and grime. And you can use it for taps, sink, basin, tiles, and even some utensils can be cleaned with it. Works really good for the tiles, kitchen sink, kitchen cupboards, and really worth it. So overall, it's a great practical and useful product. You have got to try it. And if you like this video, subscribe. Bye bye.